Hey guys, welcome back for a very quick video, because I heard there is a new car being benchmarked by Ferrari, and if the rumor is correct, it's a brand new Porsche GT3 RS. So I really hope to see that one. Oh!
Nah, not a Porsche. Oh, okay, a puro sangue and an SF90 of some kind. Wow, okay. Interesting livery, I guess. Oh? No, not a Porsche. Roma Spider. And it's still camouflage for some reason. Spider? Maybe. Alright, SF90 VS with the rear wing. The old prototype. Nice. Oh wow, now that's a beautiful spec for the GT3 RS.
Okay, that was pretty good. I mean, of course, it's not the first time it happens. I've seen many Lamborghinis, Audis, Porsche, Jaguar, Mercedes. Oh yeah, and even a Maybach once. So yeah, it's not that weird, but it's very interesting indeed. What do you think?
Oh, nice spec. No! Oh, come on, that's not fair. Oh shit, that's not a Ferrari, and of course not even a Porsche. No way, the McLaren. Alright, I wasn't expecting this one, but not bad, right? Oh, this is the 296 GTS from before. I think I've heard, yeah. Yeah, still Ferrari factory, yeah? But I mean, what a car! I really like the new GT3 RS. Okay, here it is. Oh, matte finish over the dark grey body. Interesting SF90 stradale. Oh, wait a moment. Oh, here it is once again. And that's another Roma Spider, because why not? Still a V8. 296 with the blue stripes. Cool. And check it out. Another SF90 VS. F8 Turbo. But this is a customer's car. Nice. Oh, the Roma Spider. Again. Alright, I think I'm done for today. See you next week.